things that can go wrong.
Okay.
They have weighing issues, they have dilution issues, and then there's hardware. Is the injector working well? Is the thing getting dirty?
Wow.
Is the maintenance good?
Mm-hmm.
And so they're subject to variance. There are fewer sources of variance in this whole procedure.
Mm-hmm.
So the NIR system will tend to be more precise.
Mm-hmm.
And if you put a lot of effort into it, you can match, and some people claim there's papers out on it, you can actually beat the accuracy of the lab.
Of the lab itself, right.
But you're using the lab instrument
as a guide.
as a guide.
Yeah, okay.
So
yeah, we have a lab that I'll get you the name of it, and they claim to be one of the premier labs in the country.
Well,
so yeah, but that doesn't mean anything, right?
Well,
they do something to do with genetics, or the verification of. They'll also verify the genetics of a strain, for instance. So somehow they have data that would, when we buy our clones, for instance, the owner of this clone farm guarantees us that the genetics of that particular strain are 100% accurate in terms of, and I don't know the science behind that, but it certainly sounds good, and I've talked to other folks that said if that's the case, then you're dealing with someone who's reputable.
That's yes. If you start collecting lots and lots and lots of samples,
yep,
you'll see that certain strains are in this range of concentration, and other strains are in a higher range of concentration.
Mm-hmm.
And every once in a while there'll be a flyer, and you go, I'm not sure what happened there.
Yeah.
But the genetic testing is, it depends on how they do it. The most reputable is a DNA sequencer, and that's pretty pricey.
Yep.
Because the equipment is very expensive.
Yep. I think that's what this lab uses, this DNA sequencer. I remember reading about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's sort of the gold standard.
Okay. Okay.
So you're actually looking at the genetics, the DNA. Is it the same or is it different?
That's right. Okay.
So I mean, it's that's what they would do in forensics with blood samples.
Right.
So
Same thing. Yeah. Okay.